What in the world is the Amazon Influencer Program? If you're wondering what this program is, how it works, and how you can get started with it, we're going to talk about all of these things in this quick video today. My name is Lauren, and I'm here to explain what it is and how you can get started. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so excited that you're here to find out more about this really great opportunity called the Amazon Influencer Program. You might have been hearing it all over the internet nowadays. This is a program that's been around for a few years now, but just in recent months, I feel like has blown up, and it seems like everyone is jumping on the opportunity. So I'm not surprised that you are wanting to learn more and you are in the right place. And if you want to learn more about the program and get some support as well, we have a free support group. I'll put the link in the description if you want to jump over there and join real quick, but I'll go ahead and now jump into the explanation of what exactly it is and how does it work. So first, what is the Amazon Influencer Program? This is a program that is an extension of the Amazon Associates program that allows social media influencers to earn commissions on products that they recommend that are on Amazon. Now, you don't have to be a part of the Amazon Associates program first in order to get approved for the influencer program, so that is not a requirement, but you do need to have either a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube account with a substantial amount of followers and engagement in order to get approved into the influencer program itself. Now, with the Amazon Influencer Program, they give you your own storefront. And what this is essentially your own page or store on Amazon itself, where you can post pictures, videos, idea lists of products that you have and you love and recommend them to other people on Amazon. When someone comes to Amazon and purchases something from your storefront or from your unique Amazon affiliate link, you earn a commission from that sale. This is a really awesome opportunity. One, because almost everything nowadays is on Amazon, so I guarantee there are tons of products in your home that you're already using on a daily basis that you can be recommending to your following and those that you might have contact with online to help earn yourself some extra money. Now, another component of the Amazon Influencer Program is on-site commissions. I made a video that goes into more detail about on-site commissions and how they work. I will put it up here for you to click over and watch that. But just a quick explanation of Amazon on-site commissions is when you are a part of the influencer program and you go ahead and go through the approval process to get approved for on-site commissions, your videos and photos that you create on your storefront can be featured on the Amazon website itself, its product pages, and other places on Amazon where you do not necessarily need to be proactive at sending out this content. Amazon itself will take your videos and place them on their product pages. And if people watch your videos or look at your photos and purchase the products that you recommend, you will earn a commission. Again, go ahead and watch that video if you want more information about how on-site commissions work and what they even are. It'll be much more helpful and it is in much more detail than this video here. Now, a big misconception that a lot of people have about the Amazon Influencer Program is that you need a crazy amount of following or followers or subscribers in order to get approved to the influencer program, which is not the case. I have many friends in the program and even members inside our support group who have gotten approved to the program with under 50 and some even under 30 followers on their account. Since Amazon doesn't come out and directly say how many followers you need, they do suggest that you have a pretty engaged following wherever your following is. So it's more about comments, likes, how many people are saving your post, how consistent you are with your post, and how engaging you are with other people on the platform. So your profile's engagement as well. Again, since Amazon isn't direct in what exactly the requirements are to get approved, we have tons of members in the support group with all different kinds of stories and experiences of how they got approved and what they did to get into the program, and then how they got approved for on-site commissions. So if you're here and you're still wondering what the Amazon Influencer Program is, maybe you're curious about the opportunity in general, I've made quite a few videos about about the program on more specific topics like my earnings so far, my experience, my journey, some questions that a lot of people have about the program. So I'll put the playlist with all of these videos up here that should be able to answer all of your other questions. But I hope that this video was helpful in explaining what the program is and briefly explaining how it works as well. If you have any questions about the program itself, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. And just a reminder that this channel is in no way endorsed by, created by Amazon itself. I am just a person sharing my experience and what I've seen so far with the Amazon Influencer Program. But I think that it's really important for other people to share and help those who are wanting to learn more to, one, understand the program, and two, be able to help others who are on the journey themselves. So if this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you'd like more Influencer Program information and tips, and I will see you in the next video.